subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, we will learn about the definition of continuity in an interval. So this gives the definition of continuity under which the interval satisfy the given condition. Continuity in an interval. A real valued function f of x is said to be continuous in an interval if it is continuous at every point of the interval. A function which is continuous on entire line minus infinity comma plus infinity, then we say that it is continuous everywhere. So by using the definition of continuity in an interval, we solve many problems as possible, as well as the problems which are basically related to JEE main and advanced. The concept of continuity in interval is very important. Thank you.